How to set the screen color back to normal on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down in here and tap on vision enhancements. From here, we then scroll down and tap on color filter. If you turn on color filter, that can affect the color of the screen. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off. You can see when I turn it on, then the color on the screen changes depending on what color scheme that I select. Okay, so simply just turn off the color filter. So that is one of the things. The second one is color correction. So tap on that and make sure you turn off color correction as well. Now if you look on this window right here, you can see in the preview pictures the color changes when I turn off the color corrections. So when it is turned on, you can modify the colors by choosing Duotone, Proton, Tritone, or Grayscale. Okay, so that is another thing to turn off. Okay, another thing that you want to turn off is eye comfort shield. So swipe down at the top, and in this panel here, make sure eye comfort shield is turned off. When it is turned on, it will turn the screen color to a warmer color. So if I touch and hold that, and here you can see if I turn it off, the screen will be a cooler color. If I turn it on, it will be a warmer yellow color. Here if I set to custom, I can make it really yellow. So if you find that your screen color is too yellowy or too warm, then simply turn off eye comfort shield. And that's it. Give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.